Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer a photo from one iPhone to another using AirDrop. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to two iPhones, one photo. So now we can go to the first iPhone, sign on to the account of your phone, go to swipe up, turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, go to the second iPhone, log into the account, use Touch ID or insert the password, swipe up, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, turn on, go to the first iPhone, go to Photos, Camera Roll, select a photo, Share, AirDrop, choose your phone, Accept, and now we have transferred a photo from one iPhone to another using AirDrop. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.